in user experience design is nudging people, encouraging them in a good direction.
Right. Do you think in this case, and I'm just throwing an idea up that if the user would go and you would be buying a T-shirt and you'll click, okay, I like this. There's a discount that they're showing, and maybe these are other T-shirts, and you click on it and it says that, hey, Paul, you're here for the first time or you're here for the nth time, and we really enjoy that you are a customer for this special occasion. Just for this once, we're giving you 10% discount. Would that convert you into a loyal customer?
And that's very interesting, right? What you've talked about there's a difference between an incentive and I've forgotten the word. There's a word for it, and I can't remember the word for the other version. Reciprocal, right? Reciprocation, right? So an incentive is if you do X, I will give you Y, right? So if you sign up for our newsletter, I will give you 10% off. Okay, that becomes a transaction in people's minds. In return for my email address, I'm going to get a discount, right? So that in people's minds is seen as a transaction. What you just described there encourages psychological thing in us, which is called reciprocation, where when somebody gives us an unconditional gift, right? We've already made the decision to buy the T-shirt, right? And suddenly you're, for no reason whatsoever, you're offering me a 10% discount. That makes me feel good. That's not a transaction. That's a gift. And that triggers reciprocation in me. I don't like the fact, well, I do. It's at kind of multiple levels. There is a social bias